Welcome to IQD to VND. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe. We're on the road to 300 subscribers in just 19 days, and your support means everything. Iraq's digital dinar deep dive into a nation's financial revolution. Introduction: Iraq's financial crossroads. Iraq, a nation rich in history and resources, is on the brink of a financial revolution. With the world rapidly moving toward digital currencies and blockchain-backed economies, Iraq is preparing to launch its own central bank digital currency, CBDC, the digital dinar. This move, though ambitious, could redefine the nation's economy, rebuild public trust, and place Iraq on the global fintech map. In this comprehensive article, we will explore the concept of digital currency, the motivations behind Iraq's digital dinar, the potential benefits and risks, global case studies, and what this shift could mean for Iraqi citizens and the broader Middle East. Chapter 1: The History of Iraq's Currency and Economy. Before diving into digital currency, it's essential to understand the historical backdrop of the Iraqi dinar, IQD. Prior to the 2003 invasion, the dinar was considered relatively stable. In the 1970s and 1980s, Iraq enjoyed economic prosperity fueled by its vast oil reserves. The dinar was a strong currency accepted across the region. However, decades of conflict, sanctions, and regime changes led to economic instability. The IQD suffered from hyperinflation, loss of public trust, and reduced value in global markets. Corruption, poor governance, and a reliance on oil exports made the economy vulnerable to external shocks. Chapter 2: What is a digital currency? Digital currency is a form of money that exists only in electronic form. Unlike cash or coins, it is not tangible. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, are government-backed digital currencies. Unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, CBDCs are regulated and backed by national monetary authorities. The digital dinar would function similarly, a virtual representation of Iraq's official currency issued and monitored by the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI. Key features: exists only in digital form, backed by the central bank, uses blockchain or other secure technologies, enables fast, traceable, and low-cost transactions. Chapter 3: Why Iraq is exploring the digital dinar? Iraq's economic challenges are numerous. 70% of the population is unbanked, limited access to financial services in rural areas, cash-based economy, vulnerable to corruption and theft, inflation, and lack of currency stability. A digital dinar could address these issues by promoting financial inclusion, modernizing the economy, encouraging investment and transparency, reducing transaction costs. For Iraq, this is more than a tech upgrade. It's a strategy to rebuild its financial reputation and empower its people. Chapter 4: The Role of the Central Bank of Iraq, CBI. The central bank will be the primary authority behind the digital dinar. Its responsibilities include issuing and regulating the currency, setting monetary policy, ensuring cybersecurity, collaborating with international financial institutions. CBI officials have stated that the digital dinar will include advanced security protocols to protect users and transactions. Chapter 5: Infrastructure and Technological Challenges. Launching a digital currency in a country with limited tech infrastructure is no small feat. Iraq will need nationwide internet access, secure mobile apps for transactions, digital identity systems, partnerships with fintech companies. These elements require substantial investment, training, and political will. Chapter 6: Cybersecurity and Privacy Concerns. Digital currencies can be targets for cybercriminals. Iraq must invest in end-to-end encryption, fraud detection systems, data privacy regulations, public education on digital security. The government must earn citizens' trust by ensuring their data and money are secure. Chapter 7: Financial Inclusion for the Unbanked. With most Iraqis lacking access to banks, the digital dinar could be a game changer. Key benefits: mobile wallets for people without bank accounts, access to credit, savings, and insurance, faster government payments and subsidies, empowerment of women and rural populations. Chapter 8. Economic impacts and monetary policy. A digital currency provides the government with new tools to control inflation, monitor money flow in real time, adjust interest rates and policies, quickly reduce tax evasion. With better data, Iraq can make informed economic decisions. Chapter 9. Learning from global case studies. Iraq can learn from countries like China. The digital yuan is in wide use with features like programmable payments. Sweden. The e-krona aims to replace cash in a highly digitized society. Nigeria. The e-naira faces adoption issues due to lack of public awareness. Key lessons. Public education is crucial. Infrastructure must be robust. Transparency builds trust. Chapter 10. The Middle East and digital finance. Iraq's move could inspire neighbors. Countries like UAE and Saudi Arabia are testing blockchain for payments. Qatar is exploring CBDCs, Bahrain is piloting digital banking systems. Iraq has the chance to lead in a region where digital finance is gaining momentum. Chapter 11. Risks and Resistance. Not everyone is excited about the digital dinar. Potential roadblocks include technological illiteracy, resistance from traditional banks, fear of surveillance, political instability. The government must address these concerns proactively. Chapter 12. The Role of Education and Media. A successful rollout requires mass education, how to use digital wallets, understanding transaction safety, knowing your rights. Media outlets, influencers, and schools must collaborate with the government to educate the public. Chapter 13. Economic forecast and investment opportunities. If successful, the digital dinar could attract foreign investment, boost local startups and fintechs, increase GDP through digital commerce, reduce dependency on oil exports. Investors will look for signs of stability, user adoption, and regulatory clarity. Chapter 14. Timeline and next steps. Though still in early stages, the roadmap may include pilot programs in major cities, partnership with telecom providers, phased rollout to rural areas, legislative support for digital finance. Each step must be deliberate and transparent. Chapter 15. Final thoughts. A new beginning? The digital dinar could be the foundation of a modern, inclusive, and transparent economy for Iraq. It's a chance to correct past financial missteps, empower millions, and re-enter the global economy with confidence. However, this success depends on execution, trust building, and sustained investment. Iraq is not just launching a digital currency, it's redefining its future. Conclusion. Join the conversation. What are your thoughts on Iraq's digital future? Can the digital dinar succeed where past reforms failed? Will citizens trust it? Comment below, share this article, and don't forget to subscribe to IQD to VND on YouTube for more deep dives into Iraq's economy. Keywords: digital dinar, Iraq, CBDC, Iraq economy, Central Bank of Iraq, financial inclusion, blockchain in Iraq, Iraqi dinar, Iraq fintech, digital currency Middle East, IQD to VND, call to action, like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay informed. Let's build the future together.